How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. In this video, I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. The first step is to open the Instagram mobile application just like I have done here. You will land on the homepage of the app. Next, you have to add a new story for this to work, but we'll show you a trick that will ensure no one sees your story. Once the photo or video is ready, tap on this option here. It has 3 dots. After that, Touch will see this menu that has options such as your story, sharing options, close friends, and message. From the options, tap this one named Close Friends and make sure it is the one selected. After that, tap on this greater than symbol and this will open this page where you are being told only people on your close friends list will be able to see this story. From the accounts that appear here, choose and select one account such as your other Instagram account as a close friend. If don't have another Instagram account, then select an account that you don't care if they see the story or not. Once you have done that, finish sharing the story by tapping on this option here. The story had now been shared and can only be seen by one person. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page as you can see here. From there, tap on the story section and open the story you have just shared. After that, you will see the story preview. Next, tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right corner of the screen named More. After that, you will see a menu with options such as Delete Story, Highlight, Save, Add Mentions, and Story Settings. From the options, tap this one named Highlights. After that, go ahead and share the new highlight by tapping on this option here, and the highlight will be posted as you can see from here. That is how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story.